Greetings to you. Learning phrasal verbs is important. It helps you to speak English more naturally, just like a native speaker. With this video, you would learn phrasal verb do away with. Stay with me until the end. You will learn meaning, examples, and how to use it confidently in your everyday English. The phrasal verb do away with means to abolish, remove, eliminate, or get rid of something permanently. It is commonly used when talking about rules, laws, traditions, unnecessary procedures, or things people no longer want. Example, they want to do away with outdated rules. This means they want to remove or abolish the old rules because they are no longer useful. Example, the company decided to do away with the paper records. That means the company removed the paper records and switched over to digital records. Another example, many schools have done away with the strict dress codes. In other words, the schools have abolished those dress code rules which are restrictive. Another example, we should do away with the bad habits. This means we should get rid of the habits that are harmful. Getting rid of harmful actions or mindsets permanently for better personal well-being. One more example. The government plans to do away with unnecessary taxes. That means the government wants to eliminate taxes. One more example. I need to do away with the sugar in my diet. It means eliminate sugar from diet completely and permanently. We should do away with these old computers, meaning we should get rid of the old computers which are outdated. The phrasal verb do away with used for get rid of, eliminate, abolish, remove. One important thing you should note that is that it always refers to things or concepts. Do not refer to the people. Please note, do not refer to the people. Structure. Structure is subject plus phrasal verb do away with plus object. This is a transitive verb that this must always connect the target object by using the word with. Do away the rules is not correct. Correct usage is do away with the rules. Summary. Do away with means abolish or get rid of or remove completely or permanently. This can be of systems like paper records, regulations, bad habits, or old rules. If you find this video useful and helpful, please like this video and share to your friends. Please subscribe to have more videos of this kind. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every phrasal verb you master brings you one step closer to speaking English like a native speaker. Now it is a time for implementation. Please spend few minutes to apply the knowledge acquired. Write 2 sentences using the phrasal verb and post onto the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end.